We're back, and it is part 2 of this video. Technically day 5 or day 4, I think, right now. This is the closest we're gonna get to a full day out here working on this project. Girls just got done taking care of the garden and the pigs, and right now we're going to double check our squareness from last night. We're gonna try to catch 24 all the way around, and then we're gonna make some marks so that we know where to set this posthole digger at. All right, so the way I'm gonna mark for where the center of our auger point is gonna go, I'm gonna take our square right here, and I'm gonna go off this piece of rebar, and we got a 12-inch auger bit. So really what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off of it about 4 inches here, and then I'm gonna go 4 inches here on this side, and square that up right to here. So the center of our auger bit's going to be somewhere right in this intersection right here. And with it being a 12-inch auger, I wanted the center to be here. You go back the 4 inches that we measured on each side. That'll give us about 2 inches outside the string line. So that will give us some room to kind of move the post around. Theoretically, the back edge of the post and the side edge of the post should be right up against these lines. I don't want to go right straight down over the lines, because then I've got no room if I didn't cut enough away. So we're going to give ourselves a little 2-inch gap back behind where these lines are supposed to be. So I'm going to replicate this on the rest of these corners here. So we got our 4 major holes put in, and I didn't get that on camera just because we've kind of been in a hurry this morning, but we're now going to go into each individual hole and get it to 4 feet, and then we're going to pile some concrete down to the bottom to give us a footer to put the post on top of. Scrape the bottom with your shovel, scrape the bottom, get it all flat. That wasn't the plan.
All right, go ahead and get me some dirt on your side. Tamp it for me. Just scoop it in. You just set it down. Hold on for a second. Okay, keep going. It's been a pretty productive day, but I haven't reached the point I wanted to that we're at right now. I think we're going to call it a day with how hot it is and the weather we got moving in. But let me turn this thing around and I'll show you what we got knocked out. We got 6 posts total. As you can see, 4 are in the ground. The other 2 we're going to lay out a string tomorrow, or we'll probably lay it out tonight and drill the holes and set those posts tomorrow. We went and checked the square for each of our corners just to see how close we got, and I think we were like a 1/2 inch out. So I was trying to aim for 1/8 of an inch. Are we 1/2 inch or 1/8 inch? Or 1/4 inch? Yeah.
Square, it was a 1/2 inch.
Okay. For what we're doing, I think it'll be just fine. So we're gonna have a little discussion here as to where we want to go from here. What's the next task we want to try to tackle. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off of this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.